Wow. Wow, that is making quite the noise, huh? Alright, it just finished preheating. So now we're just adding a little bit of oil. I think it says 1 tablespoon. We're gonna go for 26 minutes. Got about 2 pounds. Okay, after preheating, this is definitely hot, so you want to put it on a cutting board or a granite surface top. We still didn't do our countertop, so. Sounds good. Right. Okay. So, I guess the book says 390. My wife wants to do 400. And 26 minutes it was. And it's on air fry. And that's about it. It's ready. Nice. Let's check it. Whoa. Whoa, it's past it. Want it to brown a little more? Oh yeah. All right. Let's see what we got. Wow, those are perfect. So 21 minutes. All I have to say is, oh my God. These chicken wings with this sauce, which I gotta confirm what sort this comes from. But this machine, it is just amazing. I'll definitely get one. I'll put a link in the description. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.